Good day, everyone, and happy Easter. What a glorious day it is today. I hope everyone has a good day. You're maybe for a little bit where you see this marginal chance up in Kansas and Nebraska of having some severe thunderstorms today, but it's a very slight chance. You're only at a 1, and I think the primary threat would be hail and wind, and that is just possible for the area you see here in Kansas and Nebraska. And where you see the outline of the green, we do have a chance of some rain and thunderstorms popping up throughout today. But once again, this is a small chance. It doesn't mean it won't happen. It can very well happen. But I think once again, the severity of it may be hail and some higher gust of winds in thunderstorms that may occur. Now, this is the European model. It's looking like we may have some more severe weather breakout in the Panhandle tomorrow. I'll tell you why. Right now, we're set for 9 a.m. this morning, Sunday, the 21st of April, Easter 2019. This system just does not want to get off the coast. Now, there's going to be some rain up in these areas today, but this is just for severe thunderstorm outbreaks. There's what I was talking about that may occur in Kansas and Nebraska. Today, we're going to hop over to Monday now. You can see it's moving over. Chances in Iowa and Missouri. But later on in the evening, watch as it goes on. I think the greatest chance for the Cape to rise is going to be down in this area here. And it will move through on Tuesday also up into Oklahoma. That's what it's looking like now. It may start a little earlier, may start a little less behind time. But this is what it's looking like for severe weather. I know I told you guys we may have some more popping up. Now we're up to Wednesday. This is for Wednesday. I'm not putting the timestamp on this because I want to make sure it happens before I give you a timestamp to go by. But this is just what it's looking like may happen. Now we're up to Thursday, and you can see it moving on across, getting into parts of Louisiana by Thursday afternoon. And then it starts to dissipate just a little as it moves into Mississippi. But we still have that chance. A little bit of the Florida Panhandle again. Now it's lunchtime Friday. Moving on along, you can see more severe weather may outbreak in the west of the U.S., move across, and also by Saturday, most of Florida has a good chance of something going on, as well as Iowa and Missouri. So that's a check of severe weather that may happen, pop up, and come our way for today through this week until next weekend. I'll keep my eyes on it. Everybody stay safe. Now we're going to take a quick look at the radar going on this morning. As you can see, here's the system that brought all the severe weather the last few days. As it moves up, it's going to be having some more rain, as I said earlier, up in Maine, along Rhode Island, parts of Massachusetts, and some of Vermont and New Hampshire may get some. But this is what the radar is looking like now, and you can see the timestamp on this. But we're looking like we got a little bit of snow that might be falling, light snow over in Montana and Indiana and parts of Wyoming. This is your radar for Sunday. Today, right on up until lunchtime, this is what it's looking like. Before I get going, I want to thank everyone for the notes and the Easter cards that you've sent me. Thank you so much. Very sweet of you. I appreciate it a lot. Thank you a whole bunch. And I do hope everybody has pretty good Easter weather today to do whatever it is you're going to be doing. Looking like it shouldn't be too very awful bad for today, but we do have that slight chance of rain that's going to be moving in across as we have this low here. Now, of course, this is the 12K NAM. I love to use it. It's pretty much usually very accurate. Few things might need tweaking here and there, but for the most part, it does a pretty good job. This is courtesy of Tropical Tidbits, and this is from the GFS model. So let me turn it on, get it rolling around here. Well above average temperatures are likely, everybody, across the middle part of the country today. while a cold front from the west is going to bring rain and some mountain snows. Now, strong to severe thunderstorms and locally heavy rainfall is possible across parts of the southern plains, with moderate to heavy rain also likely across the upper Midwest starting tomorrow. Now, the same system that was responsible for all the heavy rainfall and severe weather the past few days will continue to bring mainly showery, rain and scattered activity to the mid-Atlantic and the Northeast today, as I was showing you. And this is as the parent upper level low, slow, is trying to depart. We got a high pressure that's keeping it pushed up so it can't get out. But a surface low is lifting northward off the coast by tomorrow, and it may bring a period of moderate to locally heavy rains to portions of eastern New England. Now, temperatures today are going to remain cooler than normal from the mid-Atlantic southward, but should warm again to near slightly above average by tomorrow. Now, the middle of the country, from the southern plains to the upper Midwest, should be between systems today. Now, afternoon highs today are going to be in the 70s to upper 80s. Can you believe that? Now, the warm temperatures will shift eastward tomorrow into the Ohio Valley and Mississippi Valley. To the west, we got a cold front moving through the Intermountain West Range and the Rockies today. It will bring mainly light rain and much cooler temperatures. Now, temperatures today into Monday from Wyoming to the high plains could be 10 to 20 degrees below normal. Now, this would support the potential for several inches of snow elevations. Now, this front drops into the southern plains by tomorrow, and it's going to increase the threat for locally heavy rain and strong to severe thunderstorms, as I showed you. Now, it's looking like parts of the Texas Panhandle into western Oklahoma will have the greatest ability of cape to form, and that's going to give a risk of some severe weather. Now, to the north, stationary boundary settings across the upper Midwest and Great Lakes may provide focus for locally heavy to excessive rainfall as well coming up tomorrow. So hopefully tomorrow, I don't think, since we've had this last one go out, tomorrow, hopefully for everybody down around the Texas Panhandle, the Oklahoma area, as it moves on across to the other states, hopefully no severe weather will come out of it. Looking like to me right now, for the most part, a tornado can happen anytime. It's this time of the year. But hopefully it would just be gusty winds, maybe hail in some of these thunderstorms, and dangerous cloud to ground lightning. So that's a check of your weather today on Easter Sunday, the 21st of April, 2019. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share this information with your family and friends and on your social media. Helps me out a lot when you do that. I'd appreciate it a lot if you would. Happy Easter. Peace, love, and kindness to all. May each of you have a good day, a safe day, a great day. Thanks for watching.